Hello, my name is Nadir Ali Abdo and I recently qualified CSS Special Examination. From the platform of Unwinding CSS Academy, we will be discussing an important topic, which is the tariffs imposed by the Trump. MEGA, Make America Great Again, America First. These are the recent policies of Donald Trump, which has revisited the entire economy of the country. Previously, there was another president, Ronald Reagan, who redefined the American economy, and his economic policies were known as Reaganomics. These recent new policies by the Trump might be known as Trumponomics. So what are the tariffs? Tariffs है क्या? Tariffs are basically things जबकि आपके मुल्क में एक प्रोडक्ट आती है इंपोर्ट होके, you put tax on that product. Such tax is known as tariffs. ट्रंप ने भी यही किया है कि दुनिया से जो भी इंपोर्ट अमेरिका की तरफ जाती है, इट मीन्स एक्सपोर्ट टू द अमेरिका, बट अमेरिका इज इंपोर्टिंग इट, उसके ऊपर ट्रंप ने टैक्स लगा दिया है. दिस टैक्स इज बेस्ड ऑन रेसिप्रोकल टैक्स. अब अमेरिका के ऊपर इसका इम्पैक्ट तो होगा. देयर इज द पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट. अमेरिका शायद ग्रेट अगेन बन जाए, लाइक ट्रंप इज क्लेमिंग. But there is also adverse impact on the America. One of the adverse impacts on America will be the slow downing of the economic activities. लाजमी है अमेरिकन सोसाइटी में जो ज़्यादातर बिजनेसेस हैं, most of them are run on the basis of products that are being imported from the China and other countries. तो जब ये products आएंगी और महंगी हो जाएंगी because of the taxes, तो economy of the America will get slow. Second adverse impact is the inflation. Anything that is manufactured in America is costly than it is manufactured in China. China चीज़ें या दूसरे ममालिक हैं, वो चीज़ें सस्ती बनाते हैं as compared to the America. जब टैरिफ के बाद अमेरिका वही चीज़ें खुद अपने घर में बनाएगा, they will be the costly things. So inflation is a second impact on the American society. The impacts of tariffs imposed by Trump can also be across the globe. China is the first victim of such tariff. China के ऊपर भी tariffs लगाए गए हैं. First, these were 34%. Now they have become 145%. पिछली बार भी देखा गया था कि ट्रंप की tariffs की वजह से there was a trade war between China and America between 2017 and 2020. Now that trade war is also resurging. ये trade war फिर से शुरू हो रही है in terms of new tariffs imposed by the Trump. As a retaliatory action, China has also imposed some tariffs on American product as well. अब इस नुकसान चाइना का है because China has always surplus trade with America rather than America with China. LDCs, least developing countries, are also facing adverse impact because of the tariff war. Under this war of trade and tariffs, the greater impact can be seen on LDCs, least developing countries. Least developing countries के लिए ये माना नहीं रखता कि उनका ट्रेड अमेरिका के साथ हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. For these countries, डॉलर का मकसद है नेशनल रिजर्व्स. सो अगर टैरिफ्स लगते हैं एंड इफ दीज कंट्रीज आर अर्निंग समथिंग इन फॉर्म ऑफ दीज ट्रेड, तो डॉलर की शॉर्टेज हो जाएगी इन द नेशनल रिजर्व्स ऑफ दीज कंट्रीज, एलडीसीज. अगर डॉलर शॉर्टेज हो जाएगा, देन देयर इज अ सॉवरेन डिफॉल्ट ऑफ ऑल दीज लीस्ट डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. टैरिफ के असरात पाकिस्तान की सोसाइटी पे भी नज़र आ रहे हैं. पाकिस्तान का ट्रेड with America is around 20% of its entire trade volume. Pakistan export product of $5 to $6 billion to America. On the other hand, Pakistan imports the product of $1.5 billion from America. इससे क्या होगा कि पाकिस्तान की पहले ही एक्सपोर्ट बहुत कम है. Further tariffs from the American side will adversely impact the society of Pakistan. पाकिस्तान के नेशनल रिजर्व्स में से डॉलर की कमी हो जाएगी and Pakistan cannot sustain such tariffs from American side. पहले ये tariffs 29% थे, later on these are reduced to 10% on the Pakistan. But like all the crises, this crisis is also affording an opportunity to Pakistan. Pakistan इससे सबक भी हासिल कर सकता है and Pakistan can learn a lot of things from this side. पाकिस्तान अपनी एक्सपोर्ट को डाइवर्सिफाई कर सकता है toward other countries such as Japan, China, Russia and the Europe. So Pakistan has to diversify its export to the other country in order to minimize the impacts that are being caused by tariff war. Secondly, Pakistan can seek trade deals with regional countries, with the countries it is bordering with, and also Pakistan can enhance its trade volume to the European countries under the aspect of GSP plus status. Pakistan is earning minimum dollars from the Europe, so Pakistan can enhance its trade volume with the European countries in order to earn more dollar and sustain the shocks that are caused by the tariff war. के impacts फ्यूचर में भी दिखाई देंगे. जो पहला impact होगा कि US will lose its global ambition, जैसे कि रूल करता आया है. There was the world order of the America, जो भी WTO था, World Trade Organization, and all other institutions that were run by the America will lose its quest for the hegemony of the globe. On the other hand, this will give a positive end to the China. China जैसे कि अपना नेटवर्क फैला रहा है, China will become a next global power the way America is losing its hegemony. There will be regional cooperation among the countries just to minimize the impacts of tariffs across the globe. Thank you.